In this patch, we look at the structure of the Eames house. The Eames house was built by Charles and Ray Eames in 1949. They were assigned a case study number 8, and it became their future home. It's located in California by the seaside. It has 2 floors and a flat roof. Moving on.
I looked at different materials in the Eames house. I looked at concrete. They built a concrete retaining wall to withstand force up the hillside. Also looked at steel. They used prefabricated steel for the frame and used different types of glass for safety precautions and to allow sunlight through. So if we're looking at the structure, I created these diagrams to show how an isometric view showing how the load will be transferred throughout the structure, as well as a plan view of the steel frame, columns, concrete retaining wall, as well as the windows and colour stucco panels.
The system model consists of the usage of grey board, whiteboard, foam board, cardboard, mainly for the whole thing. The grey board represents the horizontal beams, I-shaped beams that support the building itself. That also goes for the secondary beams that support the first floor of the building, of both the studio and the house. The cardboard represents the actual base of where the building is based. There's an actual horizontal base, the thickness that holds everything together. The foam board represents the actual the retaining wall at the back that also separates the ground difference of about 2.7 meters in actuality.
For the detailed model, I chose to start with the north elevation of the Eames house, as the architect left out the structure on the north elevation out almost as a statement of showing how the structure works. I decided to work with the north elevation, and I used different materials to represent the actual materials. For example, I used black foam to represent the steel, wood to represent the tallow wood panels, and white foam to represent the white stucco panels. Try to show them on a diagram and trying to show all of the different layers.